pregnant women now have the habit of buying all sorts of products, to rub on their belly to prevent stretch mark. It's like the most ridiculous thing I've heard. It's just like saying, oh, I'm pregnant, I have swollen hands, I have to put something or rub something on my fingers so they don't swell up. Like, how does that even make any sense? Hello, boys, girls, pregnant women, expectant mothers, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Edma Obandana. Welcome to the family. If this is your first time of seeing my face, please subscribe so you can join the family and put on the notification bell so you know when we post. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Welcome back. Hey, today we're talking about something that every time I hear it, I'm like, does this sound right to you? So here's the thing. Pregnant women now have the habit of buying all sorts of products, to rub on their belly to prevent stretch mark. It's like the most ridiculous thing I've heard. It's just like saying, oh, I'm pregnant, I have swollen hands, I have to put something or rub something on my fingers so they don't swell up. Like, how does that even make any sense? It doesn't. But today we're talking about that. So please, if you fall among the set of women who are always buying all sorts of products to prevent stretch mark, my sister, don't let anybody eat your money. Instead, use that money to do other things. Use it to buy Cold Stone or something for yourself. Stop dashing people your money. You know why? Because it does not work. It doesn't. Here's the thing. You're pregnant. Your body is changing. Your baby is growing. Your baby is like, do you understand? The space in your stomach, it is expanding. And what happens when something expands? What happens is that your stomach will not have small tear here and there. I think I should show you guys my stomach safe. So here's my stomach. I don't have stretch mark for now. I'm saying for now because when I had my son, I did not have stretch mark. I know that people say, oh, don't scratch your stomach, don't do this. I don't know if it works, but I did not have any stretch mark. But by 9th month, all of a sudden, I think 2 weeks to when I gave birth, all of a sudden, I woke up one day and there it was, like, I had like 3 year. I was like, what's happening? Where are they coming from? What's happening? Do you understand? Your body's expanding and there's no way to control it. It is part of, the birth process. It is part of being pregnant. Luckily, some people don't even have stretch mark at all throughout their pregnancies. Why some people have from like 6 months, their stomach, they're already having stretch marks. I can understand that, yes, you don't like it, your stomach is very flat, you don't have stretch mark, you don't know if your husband likes it, it's new, yes, I understand that. But now putting yourself under that pressure that you have to buy all sorts of oils, you have to buy this, you have to buy that, and rubbing it to prevent and kini, my dear, none of that works. On the other end, you can actually fade your stretch mark. I know because I used palm kernel oil to fade the stretch mark that I had. Like, I had that stretch mark and now I don't have any stretch mark, and I know that soon new stretch mark will come because maybe when we want to give birth we'll have, because there's no space. Baby is really big, there's no space anymore. Everywhere is just, baby is just trying to get more space and your stomach is just expanding. So yes, you might have stretch mark. So I know that there are things that can fade stretch mark, but you see that one that I say you're looking for to prevent stretch mark, you don't want to have stretch mark, my dear, don't deceive yourself. What you should just do, just appreciate your body. At the end of the day, you're bringing a human into the world, and that's all that matters. Like, I know that people think it's not sexy, it's not this, it's not that. My dear, I'm even going to talk about that body positivity in another video. but today we're just talking about stretch marks. So yeah, there are things that you can buy maybe when you give birth that can help with the stretch mark to fade it a bit. Some might go completely, some might not go, but you can just fade it. But putting yourself under that pressure, because I keep hearing it, or I want to buy. I even see people advertise products. Rub this one is going to prevent stretch mark, rub that one is going to prevent stretch mark. Like, I don't know, and I'm talking from experience. And I've also spoken to people. I even had to ask my doctor friend, like, is it possible? And it's not possible. Like, as long as your stomach, let's not even talk about pregnant people, people that are constant at the gym. So you are bigger and then you reduce a bit, you would notice that they'll just have like small stretch mark here, because the body has stretched and now it's going back to original form. You just have like that small stretch mark just to show you, that this thing has stretched a bit. So it's not a big deal. And people take it as a big deal. I have stretch mark here, it's not sexy, it's not that. And because we're waiting for white people to make it sexy or something, because when they start doing, I have stretch mark in my hands and it's sexy and kini, we'll start snapping our own stretch mark that we have that is sexy. You don't have to wait for anybody. It's what's happening in your body, and there's a reason for it. So I think that if you even have stretch mark as early as 6 months or however early that it is, and you don't like it, just know that it is for a cause. And most times when you give birth, what happens is they usually disappear. But the ones that do not disappear, you can actually now get like natural products that can fade them. But if the stretch mark does not go, my sister, please don't kill yourself. It's not by force. It's not something that that should give you sleepless nights because you have stretch mark. Nah. A lot of people have it. Some people are lucky they don't have it, but if you have it in your hand, if you have it in your belly, anyway you have it, I think it's just a sign of God's goodness to you, and you should just accept it like that. When you give birth, you can fade your stretch marks. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about today, because I'm still seeing people fall for that scam, or if they want to rub one product from beginning to end and they will not get them. When they now get stretch mark, they will now start crying, this person's product did not work, this one is fake. Some will not even get it that they've been scammed though. They will now be looking for, maybe because I bought it for 10,000 naira, there's another one that they are selling for 18,000 naira that will work better. Hello, my sister. A lot of people are looking for that money. Like, if you donate that money to charity now, God will bless you instead of just dashing one person that is telling you heaven and earth. So with these few points of mine, I hope that I've been able to convince and not confuse you that this product, they don't work. I know you have one lying around you now. Throw it away. Or rather, use this patch and send it back to the person. Say, I will not be needing this product. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. My name remains Emma Obanana. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos so you acquaint yourself with the brand. Yep. Catch you guys next time in my next videos.